Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? I'm going to show you how to draw a roaring hippopotamus, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it! Well, let's make a very simple plan. And I'm going to draw very gently. Don't press too hard because you're going to want to erase this later. We're going to draw two kind of circles. So a big one and a little one. And then we're going to want sort of the body will be going roughly about there. And now you can draw in pen or just carry on drawing in pencil or whatever you want to do. And what we're going to do is around about here, we're going to draw a straight line that's going to come down and across and around. And this is going to be like the lips and the mouth here. And then that stops there. Down, around, up like that. Okay? And then we're going to draw some teeth. So they have these... Oh, a squirrel just went past my window. And so these are the teeth, and they have these great big teeth, and then some that stick out forwards like that. And then from the side of this tooth, we're going to go all the way around like that. And this is like the nose. So we're going to just draw these nose holes like that. And then we'll draw a curve going up there. And then this can be the tongue going rah. Now, draw a line down here and a little curve around there, and then that is going to be where the eye goes. So draw a circle in there, and then an eyeball. He's slightly mad because he's roaring, and then we can draw the ear just in behind there like that. And then we want this great big jowls, what do we call that? Something like that. Okay, so that's his mouth and head all done. And it could be a her, of course. And then we'll do that. A little flick at the end, that's going to be the tail. Then we can bring a line down here, which is the sort of throat and the tummy, stomach, chest. That's the word we're looking for. Tummy's a bit further on, isn't it? And then we draw the legs coming down like that. And stop a bit, and then forward in a little curve, bring that in, another one just the same, and another one just the same, and then we'll bring that up into the body again. And we can do another one at the front, so come down, forward a little bit, back a little bit, down, back, and then that will go like that. Get printable instructions and a colouring sheet from my website. You'll find the link below. Now here we will come in, and then that's this funny little, we call it a dog leg, it's a hippopotamus leg, but it's that little funny kind of thing you get at the back of animals' back legs. And that will come down to about there. And then we want to bring this front down again, and we're going to do the same thing, down and in a bit, down and in a bit, down and in a bit. And then we can put these toes in on the front like that. And then we can put the tummy in there. And then we also want to do the same here. So down a little bit, in, down, and up like that, down, and across like that. You can maybe have a bit of a wagging tail, and then we can go some sort of grassiness there. This can be the banks of the river, maybe like that, so we can have the river in the background. And then, when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase those pencil marks like that. So no one will know how you planned it out. They'll just think you're a genius. And there you are, how to draw a roaring hippopotamus. Real easy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos on Draw Stuff Real Easy with Shu Rayner. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.